Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Patrick Siasis. So I'm sorry for the late for submission. So ma'am, na nalimtan lang gid kaya ma'am kay wala ka bantay na yawin na baya G class. So amo pa ako makahimo nun yun ma'am. Unta ma'am na madawat mo pa inin ako insight ma'am sa imo activity. So amo yun ako kuan ma'am ako insight sa katon imong gihatag is politic ideologies. Politic ideologies are set our belief about how society should be organized and government. So amin yan mga ako ma'am is liberalism, one conservatism, and then socialism and communism o fascism. So amin yan mga common sa government political ideologies. So aminin ko an liberalism is advocate for individual rights, freedom and equality, and conservatism values tradition, order and stability. So socialism is emphasize social equality, collective ownership and welfare. So communism I aims for a classless society with shared ownership of resources. So fascism focus on strong authoritarian basta something like leadership, nationalism, and suppressing dissent. So, sa ikadua, ma'am, so my explanation sa ikadua, the political versus the public administration. So what the political? So, the political is focused on the power, governance, and decision making in society. It deals with forming policies, election, and public debates. So, amin yan mga politics. So what about public administration? So the public administration involves implementing policies made by politicians. So it focuses on managing government operations, delivering ng public service. So amo din ako na visit sa research and sa learning, ma'am. Amo din ako kuan. Thank you, ma'am.